An old record plays in the background, with pieces on the floor of what seems like a porcelain doll. When that light breaks in through moments, no direction appears to be real anymore. A somber melody takes away attention from the scatter. The arms and cheeks in my hands, tip of the shoe elsewhere. It was time to place pieces in line. A straight line just doesn't make sense now. Look at the lack of calm, the absence of priority, the breaking patience. It was time to draw a circle. Still connected, still neat. The circle is obscene now. Look at all the chaos, the presence of diligence. The protruding corners, nameless shapes, neither a line nor an arc. Maybe it's time to align. What goes where, pieces into place. Connected, chaotic, meaningful. Nothing brims like a pause when that music takes a break. The visible dust in the air stops to stare, and I notice the glare. It was of comfort amid crisis. No arrangement gone wrong. I step back and see essence itself. The doll complete, broken still. As if in trance, I break down more. Stability was peculiar, and the doll on the ground wouldn't stop smiling. I could see what I avoided. The familiar melody, the daunting light, the fixed art, and nonchalant fear. I can see emptiness now. Something represented a whole, and I didn't glare and smile back. Perfection will confuse, and the vision somewhere is, was, and will always be unclear. There's this other piece that I performed last week with POB itself. It was a smaller crowd, more subtle crowd. I want to present that piece here as well. It is called Welcoming Winter. The quiet spell of tragic bells, woven intricately amidst what I believe to be is warmth. A glint of spark mistaken as fire. Passionate fire that lest I leave at home. Home, space of utmost discomfort. I dream of what I think is warmth. Warmth of tragic bells, a quiet spell. The winds carry a gust of comfort. My hair nests it, as short, lived as may be. The warmth is still here. It decides the time to leave as I convince it to stay in my dreams. I am alone in my head. Is it scary? It is crooning the ring of bells, tragic, quiet spell. Time seems to know the music. It exists in the hidden ray of shine, among pages of an unread book, in the moon that cries, in the tea that smells like home. Home, space of almost comfort. I beg for warmth to stay in the music of the tragic, quiet spell. Warmth does turn around for me. It asks me unfamiliar questions of our acquaintance. I only answer in murmurs, hoping it would see my need for noise. Warmth says it's a lie, the facade of its existence in my head. It says it leaves to come back someday. I trust it. With music, my soul think it knows. That of bells, tragic, quiet spell. I look up to dream something, anything. The wind is colder, embracing me with moral horror. I embrace it back to remember home. Home, space of fulfilling comfort. Time only hums the tragic spell in odium of sacred sinners. Why the rage? We're all simply welcoming winter.